This is the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo I'm going to show you today. All right, so I'm going to do a non-flight demonstration so you get just a general idea of what you get in the package of a Fly More combo, and just kind of show you how to unfold and fold things back up and whatever. So this drone is registered, so I'm going to do my best not to show off any registration stickers or anything like that. So I'm going to start off with your prop guard that you get with your drone. So it has a little clicky thing here, and you take that off like this. As you see here, that's your prop guard. All right, so you see here, this is the drone. All right, the way you take off your gimbal guard, there's a little latch right here. You click that, take that off. Now your gimbal's free. Now you unfold your drone like this. You open the front arms like this, and then you fold the rear arms down, just like this. All right, while we're at it, I'm gonna show you how you turn the drone on. Down here, you would press once and then press again and hold. And that would turn your drone on. All right. Same to turn it off. You press that button once and you hold. All right. And that will turn your drone off. All right. So you see that right there. Now, let's go to this part here so I can show you this here. So the way you do the battery, this is where your SD card is, right here below your battery. You have USB-C, you can charge your battery inside the drone, and you can do data transfer too. So right there as well. But the way you get your battery out of here, you lift up this little piece right here in the back. There's a little tab on your battery. You press that, you pull your battery out. All right, you want to put your battery in? Click that, make sure you click that down. All right, that's your drone. All right. Now, what other things that you get inside this pack is you get your battery hub. Now this battery hub, they unfortunately only charge one battery at a time. So when one battery is charged, it goes to the next battery. But the cool thing is that it does try to charge the battery that has the most power first to get you flying faster. So that's what's cool about it. The nice thing about these hubs is that you can press this on button, power button on the side, and it will show you how much energy is in each battery. So you know where you're at. You know if you have half battery, a quarter battery, a full battery, whatever it is. This hub will also act as a power bank on the side here. So you would charge it with your USB-C, but if you would like to charge another device, just plug that USB in there, plug it into a device, and you can use it as a power pack. So that's kind of nice too. You want to charge, like I say all the time, phone, earbuds, some small items. I wouldn't say nothing too heavy with this. So you got that. That's in your Fly More combo. The other thing you get in your Fly More combo is you get your controller. There's your antennas. That's where you put your phone. All right, and here's everything else here. You got your sticks here, your control sticks here. You put those on there, you just screw those in. And they're right there on the bottom of your controller right there. Same thing, it helps keep you from losing them. It also helps you keep from breaking them too when you're putting that controller in that bag. All right, and I'm going to be showing you the bag shortly. All right, so you see how that works. You take those off, and then you're able to put those, let me show you, right there in the bottom of that there. So I'll show you where that goes. They go right into they insert right in there just like this here. For those of you that are new to drones, this is a really good drone, by the way, for you if you're just starting out. All right, so the other things you get in the pack, which is nice, you actually get a charging cord. You know what I'm saying? All right, you got that in there too. You get a charging cord and a wall charger. That's cool. Okay, here's your connectors for your phone and whichever phone type you have to connect to your drone. So right here, you got your USB-C. And then they give you your lightning cable, and they also give you a micro as well. So you get that. Let's see what else we got going on here. So we got the battery. We talked about the charger. Okay, here we go. Let's talk about the bag. Really nice bag that comes in. So you get this bag. You got here. Let's see. It goes from the back here. Let's see right here. Okay, let's unzip this. Matter of fact, there it goes. It's shaped a little weird. You think that's the front, but it's not. So this is where it is right here. So let's go. So this here, you put your drone there, you got your compartment, you put your accessories in there. Inside here, you do have another zipper compartment in the inside. You can put more items in there, all right? And I'll tell you some more things that come with the Fly More combo that you can put in those compartments. All right, so this side here, there is another zipper pocket right here, okay? So those are nice, like say you got those cables I was showing you earlier. Just put them in the bag. There you go, right there, just like that. Okay, the other things they give you, they do give you an extra set of the sticks that we put into our controller. What'd I say? just throw them in the bag. All right. Okay, so this also does come with a screwdriver tool to put props on your drone, as you can see here, and to put extra props. So it comes with extra props. You got the screwdriver. You have the extra sticks for your controller. So you get quite a bit in your Fly More combo, and you do get the 3 batteries. Remember that. You get 3 batteries, the charging hub, the charging cord, you get the controller, you get the bag, you get the extras, and you get the drone. All right. So that's everything. That's your DJI Mini 2 249 gram ultralight mini drone. This drone is still very powerful. Don't let the size fool you.